I get it. Not everyone loves writing. But even if you have a slight interest in writing, dear artists, please write blogs. There are so many reasons why you should start writing a blog, like right now. First of all, it makes it way easier to be found on Google. For example, me, I get the most traffic to my website from a blog post that I posted 2 years ago. Because when people go on Google, they don't type in your name and last name. They type in things like, how can I mix colors? Or how can I clean my palette? Or how can I mix charcoal with graphite? And if these words match with the keywords in your blog post, then Google brings your blog post to the top and people start coming on to your website. The second benefit of having a blog is you show people that you have the authority on the subject. You know what you're doing. And the third benefit is you can have links to, let's say, your book, to your website, to the affiliate marketing, to your products or your courses. You can write a blog and then talk about all of these different artistic things and provide links to those products that you have. And this way you drive traffic to other income streams that you've been running. The blog subjects can be anywhere from how-tos to which supplies you use, or maybe a story that you want to share about learning art or teaching art. If you have a blog that has a lot of traffic, you can put ads on those pages and you can start making passive income from those as well. If you're gonna write blogs, I highly recommend you Wix or WordPress. I already talked about how to build a website in the previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, it's right here. And if you want to start building your website and start writing blogs, Wix and WordPress links are both below. You can check them out. I'll see you tomorrow in our next day of our challenge.